Well, it's a sunny day. I feel brand new. There's about a million things that I could do. Whoa, would you like to do them too? Yeah. Well, it's a big wide world and it's waiting for me and you. Let's look around. What will we see? Round every corner of discovery. Whoa, there's no place I'd rather be. Oh yeah. Well, it's a big wide world and it's waiting for me and you.
The Sounds of Silence, Part 1. Does the sun make any noise when it sets? Peep and Chirp are trying to find out. That's why they're being so quiet.
So, after I woke up, I stretched a few times, and then I yawned like that. No, wait, I yawned twice. That's right, I yawned twice, and then I said...
We are trying to listen. Remember?
Oh, yeah, sorry. So then I said hello to the fish, and they said hello back, only they have little voices, so it sounded more like, hello! Kind of like that.
Quack, we won't be able to hear the sun touch the water if you keep on talking.
Oh, right. Gotcha. I'm good. Want to see how long I can hold my breath? Watch this. Oh, boy, that...
You are the loudest duck I ever knew. Could you please be quiet? Chirp, look! We are trying to hear the sunset.
Oh, too bad. You just missed it.
What? Quack's right. Oh, well.
And we couldn't hear a thing because Chirp was talking. What's up with her?
Chirp soon forgot about being mad. The next day, she was over at Peep's house, listening for worms.
What does a worm sound like exactly? I'm not sure, but if we're really quiet, we might be able to hear them moving.
Oh, what duck is a doodly-dum, a doodly-doo, and yes, we're wonderful. Hi, Pete. Hi, Chirp. Hey, you want to hear my new song? It's all about ducks. Quack.
We're listening for worms.
Really? Well, let me help you. I got great ears. If the worms are making noise, I'll be the first one to hear it. Yep. That's just getting there. Oh, boy, that's good. Oh, boy. Yep, great ears. You may not know this, but duck ears are a miracle of nature. Duck ears and duck feet. And also duck wisdom. Oh, so I guess that makes 3 miracles of nature.
What is the matter with you? Why can't you ever be quiet?
I can.
No, you can't.
Can.
Can't.
Can! I can be quiet anytime I want.
Prove it.
Fine. I will not speak another word until you beg me. See? I am closing my lips for good. Until you beg me. Starting right now.
Are you saying that you won't speak again until I beg you?
Exactamundo. Oops.
But Quack, I don't want you to be quiet. I mean, sometimes it might be nice, but not all the time.
I know. This will be a difficult experience for us all, Peep. But we'll come through it.
You can't stay quiet for 2 seconds, Quack. You'll never last.
But he did. Quack lasted. He kept his mouth shut and refused to say a word. Even when it hurt.
It's amazing. I can hear stuff I never heard before. Listen to those reeds. I hear somebody drinking.
You know, it's hard to communicate with skunks when you can't talk. let's see, Quack is mad, and I think he's saying you need to ask permission before licking his foot. Later on, the birds returned to Big Bay.
Look, the sun's about to set. Maybe we'll hear it this time. Nothing. I guess it doesn't make noise when it hits the water. Huh, I thought it might hiss or something. Hey, do you hear that? Frogs! And birds. And the sea. I hear a garbage can. And that must be Quack's stomach. Thanks, Quack. It's so nice to hear the world for a change. Bye. Good night. I miss your voice, Quack. I hope Chirp begs you soon. Are you trying to tell me something?
Okay, you have got to do something, Peep. If Chirp doesn't beg me to talk soon, I am gonna bust. Quack.
I heard that too. Are you giving up, Quack? But Chirp, Quack can't be quiet forever. Aren't you ever going to ask him to talk? Sure, tomorrow, or the day after, or I don't know, maybe next week. I mean, just think of all the stuff we can listen to now. Like what? Like, I know, tomorrow let's go find a flower and listen to it grow. Oh, yeah! Ah, peace and quiet. It's the greatest thing ever. Good night, Peep. Good night, Quack. Don't worry, Quack. I'm sure Chirp will change her mind.
But Quack was worried. See, that's his worried look. Was he ever going to speak again? Would he ever be able to sing about ducks? And what about the snoring? Was he going to have to stop snoring and gargling? Could he really do this? Or would he have to admit that Chirp was right? Stay tuned, everyone. The story's not over.
That's me, Bennett, and Lucas with our recycling bin. Oh, here's something.
We're making percussion instruments.
Someone knows how to play the drums next door, and those are kind of what we're making.
I was just thinking of a drum set. A drum set is a bunch of different drums. The bigger can makes more of a deeper sound, and the smaller can makes more of a lighter sound.
If I put a pipe on this box, I can make a xylophone. Different sizes of tubes make different sounds.
Whoa, what is this?
It's a Lucas xylophone.
It is a tube.
The biggest makes the lowest sound.
That's a Miranda phone, this is a Bennett phone, and that's a Lucas phone.
They're all Lucas phones.
Try making your own drums and other things to make sounds.